tuning in. Let's check out some deals at Target starting the week of June 8th through June 15th. There's a buy three, get a $10 gift card on household items and a few other deals that are worth looking at. Let's go in store. One item I did notice is the Crest Gum Detoxify. It's $8.99. There's a $4 Target Circle digital coupon, bringing this down to $4.99. Now this coupon attaches to several other products that are $8.99, so feel free to mix and match and get the product that works for you. So the Beloved body wash is on sale. It's buy one, get one 50% off. It's the large 18 fluid ounce bottle, so they're $9.99. Buy one, get one 50% will be $14.98, and then you can get $2.50 back on each on Fetch, bringing it down to about $10 or $5 a bottle. And you can mix and match the different scents. Now, if you don't have the Fetch app, you can download it. I'll leave the link in my description box below. I have a code VMTH42. You can get 1,000 points for signing up on top of the points you'll get for the Beloved deal. So you can get the Clinical and the Bare Head and Shoulders at about 50% off this week at Target. So they're $9.99, buy three at $29.97. Get a $5 Target gift card, and there's $3 Ibotta rebates back on each. Now keep in mind the Ibotta rebates are a limit of 2, so you're going to have to get 2 of one and 1 of the other, making it $9 off with Ibotta, bringing it down to $15.97. So it's about $5 a bottle after the Ibotta rebate and the gift card. And here's a lower cost version of this deal. If you buy 3 of the 2-in-1 Head and Shoulders at $17.97, $5 gift card, and there's a $1 Ibotta rebate back on each. It's $9.97, about $3.30 each. And this Ibotta rebate you're allowed to do up to 3 times, so you'll be able to do this full deal. Here's another product you may be interested in. It's Jergens Natural Glow, and it has like a glow when you put this lotion on. It comes in gold and bronze. It's $8.99. There's a $2 Target Circle digital coupon and a $1.50 back in Ibotta. So it brings this down to $5.49, about a 40% savings overall. So this new Scotch tape dispenser with 2 refills is $8.99. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate, and you'll see me scanning it into Shopkick. So you want to make sure you get the in-store kicks for 15 kicks, and then the purchase kicks are 725. So that equals about $2.96. You end up getting this for $3.03 after the 2 rebates. So it's a great deal to try a new product. So the same with Shopkick. If you're new to the app, go ahead and download it. Use my code THRIVE. You'll get $5 for your first scan. So that Scotch tape will end up being a $2 moneymaker. Next up, I'll show you a way you can take advantage of this home care deal. Buy 3 and get a $10 Target Circle gift card. All right, you'll see that I took advantage of the Ibotta rebates, and these Downy scent beads, there's a bunch of rebates that popped up. Now you have to be very careful to pay attention to the size. So this is a 24 ounce for $15.99, and there's a $5 Ibotta rebate that attaches to it, making it $10.99. The next Downy scent beads are the 18.2 ounces, and this attaches to a $5 Ibotta rebate, which is a limit of 1. So it's $12.99 minus the $5 equals $7.99 before the $10 Target gift card. And the last scent beads I got was the 12.2 ounce. It's $9.99. There's a $4 Ibotta rebate, limit of 1. And it ends up being $5.99 after the Ibotta rebate and before the gift card. So these 3 will cost $38.97. You'll get $14 back on Ibotta, $10 Target gift card. It'll end up costing you $14.97 or about $5 each, and you can save this receipt for the greater P&G rebate if you're working towards that. I'll also leave a link to that rebate in my description box in case you want to submit for that. Sometimes you'll have receipts laying around and you'll get a $15 gift card back or a $5 gift card back. So save those receipts and make sure you're submitting for these promotions. The Barilla pasta is on sale for $2.49 a box. If you buy 2 of those, it will cost you $4.98, and then you can submit to ShopMeum to get $2 back, leaving it to be $2.98 or about $1.50 a box, which is about 50% off the regular price. Another quick deal I want to mention is the Neutrogena travel size sunscreen. It's $1.99 and there's a $2 Target digital coupon that's attaching, making it free. One more app I'll introduce to you is the Merrifield app. It's a rewards app that rewards you on products from these better for you brands. So Barilla pasta is part of that. Rayo's pasta sauce is part of that as well. And what you do is you scan in your receipts and you gain points. And for every 1,000 points, that equals $1. So I've got about 11,000 points. I can already cash in for a $10 Apple gift card. I'm actually saving up for a $15 Target gift card. That starts at $15. And there's a variety of gift cards for you to choose from. It takes 2 seconds to scan your receipts in these apps and you're getting points, and then you can in turn get gift cards so you can turn that into a free shopping or a money-maker shopping trip. And hopefully get to the point where you're not taking money out of your pocket, you're using these rewards to roll them back into your next purchase. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you get out there and get some discounted items so you can save money on your groceries and your household items. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions or any feedback. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.